Your turf is installed, the infill is down, and the blades are standing tall. Now let's finish strong with the final touches and simple maintenance tips to keep your lawn looking amazing for years. To create a crisp, clean finish on your turf installation, use a sharp pair of shears to trim any excess or long blades along the edges or borders. Many professionals walk the surface and trim any stray blades in the center. This final detail gives your turf that fresh-cut grass look and a truly polished professional finish. Start by giving your turf a light rinse. This helps the infill settle deeper into the thatch area for a smooth, even finish. No need to overwater. A light mist is perfect. Every now and then, give your lawn a refresh with a power broom. Brushing against the grain lifts the blades upright and keeps your turf looking brand new. For best results, do this on a warm day when the fibers are soft. If you don't have a power broom, you know the drill. Back to the push broom. For homes with pets, use a turf-safe cleaner like PE51 to tackle urine odors at the source. It cleans, deodorizes, and keeps your outdoor pet area fresh and inviting. Use a blower to clear leaves and debris whenever needed. It keeps your lawn clean and prevents buildup in the fibers. And an important safety reminder, anything hot can melt the turf, so hot power equipment, barbecue, metal furniture, or anything metal that heats up in the sun, keep it away. In high-traffic areas, blades may eventually lie flat. When that happens, just add a little extra infill to those spots. Then power broom again to bring them back to life. A little infill goes a long way. Sprinkle it lightly and evenly before brushing it in. For heavy buildup or strong odors, a professional deep clean may be needed. Call us for professional cleaning recommendations. That's it! You've completed every step of installing and maintaining your artificial turf. Enjoy your beautiful new lawn. Again, thanks for watching. We're always here if you need us.